I hope Achyut has the knowledge on APIs, how the APIs will be handled in the external systems. So whomsoever have the API integration system, so such kind of systems can be able to integrate the marketing cloud in order to get the data. And get the data means it can grab the data from the marketing cloud, and it can also post the data into the marketing cloud in order to manage the business. So you got my point. So that is what the first advantage of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And the second point is mainly is you can customize on basis on your business needs. So Salesforce have a out of box functionalities where you can customize your own business strategy. You don't need for manual intervention in order to do your campaigns. You can automate each and everything. And the third advantage is it has a low code platform in order to integrate Salesforce products. So you don't need code to integrate any other system which is present in the Salesforce ecosystem like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Media Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and Data Cloud. You don't need the code to integrate those systems with our Marketing Cloud. So these are the main advantages of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. So people who are working in a Salesforce Marketing Cloud, so those people will mainly ask about whether do you have experience on which studio, right? Either it could be a email studio or like a mobile studio. Main thing is Salesforce Marketing Cloud widely is used for mobile marketing and email marketing because this is the well-known tool for email chain and mobile chain. So suppose let's take an example. So you have a e-commerce company. Let's take an example of Flipkart. You wanted to send the promotional kind of campaigns. So take an example of India is your marketing country. You have almost customer base of 70 million, 80 million customers that you have customer base in your country. So marketing cloud has a capability of it can handle huge customer base in the marketing cloud. So in that case, it can be able to automate each and every process based on your business needs. What about like same thing that can be done with email studio and mobile studio. So coming to the email studio. So let me go to the email studio first. So I'm not going deep in this class. I just wanted to give you the overview of the email studio. So in the email studio, this is the user interface looks like for the email studio. So forget about the overview. Overview means like whatever the page which you are seeing is comes under the overview. Like it will let you know that what are the recent items that you have participated. These all things will be comes under in this overview. Content means what is the output that you are seeing in your inbox, right? So that is called content. The content will be designed by yourself. Like you have a separate designing team, so they can propose the some kind of content what you can show to your end user. Like such kind of content that will be designed in the content builder. Subscriber means nothing but like that subscriber means that those people who are going to receive an emails like you or me. Or suppose take an example of IDFC Bank. You are part of IDFC Bank as a account holder, so then you will become a subscriber to this their marketing business, which we call as subscribers. Interactions comes under like if you want to run the transactional kind of emails, you want to send transactional as emails, like you want to send OTPs in your emails, like you wanted to send any kind of follow-up emails based on the end user actions, such kind of things that you can do it in the interactions. And A/B testing tool. A/B testing tool means like you wanted to know which email is performing well on the end user, so you can do two version of emails on live audience. So whomsoever have interacted more on which version, so that you will get to know that which version is performing well. Such kind of thing that you can do in the A/B testing. Tracking means like this tracking comes under like when an email got delivered, how many emails got delivered to the customers, and how many emails got opened, on how many emails have click rate. Click rate means if you have placed any kind of link in the email, so whomsoever have clicked the particular link in the email, those will be comes under click rate, right? These metrics will be comes under this tracking, and it means nothing but like you wanted to manage your sending preferences, like you wanted to change the from name from email address, you wanted to include some other business parameters in your account, you wanted to change the branding guidelines, all the things comes under admin part. So this is a bit wider now, but going through, you will get to know more into in this topics and concepts. So let's go for the mobile studio. So since this is a training or we don't have any kind of from mobile number has been configured in this account. Since this is a training or from mobile number is very expensive for training work. So we will be having just let you know what mobile connect will do. So apart from the email, so you are doing the email marketing using the marketing cloud. Like you can send outbound SMS. Outbound SMS means like you will be receiving a such kind of OTPs. You will be receiving promotional kind of content in your SMS. Like if you are using an Android mobile, you can see that which is the promotional content, which is you can see that spammy content, which you can see that the outbound SMS. So such kind of things that will be used in in the outbound SMS. Outbound SMS, you will be only sending out an SMS. You will be not handling the inputs of SMS. That will be there. And push notifications. Push notifications means like everybody talks about this Zomato and Swiggy. That they can send most interactive push notifications. Like by sending them like asking them to do some kind of order in that particular app. So such those kind of things will be handled in the marketing cloud. You can also integrate with mobile SDK. Mobile SDK means software development kit. Like you can, if you want to create if you have created an Android app, you have to integrate the marketing cloud for to send a push notifications for both the Android and iOS. So that is there. And also one more thing is called WhatsApp messages. Like what if you want to send WhatsApp messages to the customers, so those things will be handled in the marketing cloud. So we know that Salesforce has a capability of doing email marketing and mobile marketing, and it has the feature of sending the advertising also. But many people are not using the Salesforce Marketing Cloud as a their advertising platform, because there is a one more tool which is present in the market which is called DV360, which is Google platform. Many people work on that in the email marketing cloud, in the email and mobile marketing. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the tool which does not have a competition, and yeah, it is the best tool in the industry. That is what I would say. Now, you, I'm talking about Salesforce Marketing Cloud that I have that what is it's doing, like email marketing or mobile marketing, and also I will let you know what are the clients that are using Salesforce Marketing Cloud as their main business. The first thing India has when they have launched marketing cloud few years back, many people in companies have acquired many companies are using Salesforce Marketing Cloud as their email marketing and mobile marketing business. So the Salesforce Marketing Cloud has biggest customers in India, where we call as we have namely Air India using Salesforce Marketing Cloud, IDFC Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Airtel, Policy Bazaar, Kazana Jewelry, Data Reddy's Lab, Cipla, Novartis, and JP Morgan. JP Morgan is not an Indian company. I'm just saying you example. And also like HDFC Bank. So whatever the emails that you are seeing in your inbox from HDFC Bank or IDBA Bank, Bajaj Finserv, Policy Bazaar, every email came from the marketing cloud. So that kind of a potential that it have a marketing cloud. And for mobile notifications or WhatsApp sendings, that Redis Lab using it is using for SBI card. SBI card is using marketing cloud as to send the OTPs to the customers. SBI card and Kazana Jewelry, Air India. Air India has complete system they have posted in the Salesforce ecosystem only. Their customer base will be stored in the Salesforce CRM, and their marketing for marketing cloud, their commerce for Salesforce Commerce Cloud, and every business will be hosted in the Salesforce CRM only. Air India, SpiceJet, and also not only this, they are big companies like TCS, Infosys, Wipro. For their promotional content also, they are using Salesforce Marketing Cloud as their internal tool to send the promotional campaigns. So out of 100 Narayana Healthcare, Apollo Hospitals, Apollo Pharmacy. So these are our biggest clients. I'm just saying you as examples. Uh, I'm saying only just 1 out of 100. There are a lot of customers that they are using Salesforce Marketing Cloud as the main tool, which they are coming from. They have used a lot of tools in the Marketing Cloud, but they finally decided to use Marketing Cloud as their main marketing tool. So that is about the backend, and that is about the power of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud.